I'm Ms. Goodwin, and today we're going to learn how to add fractions using different models. First, we'll start with pattern blocks. Pattern blocks use hexagons, rhombuses, trapezoids, and triangles to represent the fractions. Our question is 2/3 plus 2/9. What does that equal? Well, first we have to figure out what our whole is. Our whole, in this case, would be 3 hexagons, because those 3 hexagons can be split into thirds, and they can also be split into ninths using rhombuses. So these are my hexagons. Now my 2/3 of my whole is 2 rhombuses, or 2 hexagons. 2/9 of my whole is 2 rhombuses, because rhombuses split hexagons into thirds as well. So since we have 3 of them, that would be 9 rhombuses in total. So 2 of them would equal 2/9. So now we have to add them together. Well, we know that there's 3 rhombuses in this hexagon and 3 rhombuses in this hexagon. So that would equal 6 rhombuses in total so far. And then we add 2 more, which would give us 8. So our answer would be 8/9. And that's how you use the pattern blocks to figure out an addition problem of fractions. Our next example or model is called Cuisinart rods. Using Cuisinart rods, each rod represents a number and a color. So whatever color you choose is how much it's worth when you use certain other colors to go into it. So our whole in this case would be a blue rod. Our blue rod can be split into 3, and it can also be split into 9. It can be split into 3 using 3 light green rods. So 2/3 of blue would be 2 light green rods. 2/9 of it would be represented by 2 white rods, because there are 9 white rods that fit into a blue rod. So if we were to put these white rods into the green, it would be split up into 3 whites each. So that would give us 6 white rods and 2 more, which would give us 8 out of 9, or 8/9. That's how you use Cuisinart rods to figure out a addition problem of fractions. Our last model is called the number line. The number line is super simple. You break it up into either thirds or ninths. I'm going to choose ninths. So we'll start at 0 and work our way up to 9. 1/9, 2/9, 3/9, 4/9, 5/9, 6/9, 7/9, 8/9, and 1 whole. So 2/9 would just be 2. So this would equal 2/9. Now we need to know what 2/3 is left. Well, if we were to break this into thirds, we'd have this third and this third, which would bring us all the way to 8/9, which is our answer. And that's how you use the number line to figure out an addition problem of fractions. And those are the 3 models that you can use: pattern blocks, Cuisinart rods, and the number line.